Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start chapter number 1, files and folder MCQs. So let us begin. First MCQs first. A dash represents some information of a program. Options are A folder, B file, C icon. So answer is file here. File represents some information of a program. Second one, a dash is a place where you keep related files together. Options are A folder, B file, C icon. So answer is folder here. Folder is a place where you keep files together. Third one, file name and file extension are separated by a dash. Options are A comma, B semicolon, C dot. So answer is dot here. Fourth one, the maximum length of the file name in Windows 7 can be dash characters. Options are A 277, B 265, C 255. So answer is 255. The maximum length of a file name is 255 characters. Fifth one, whenever we save any information, it is saved as a dash. Options are A file, B folder, C my document. So answer is file here. We save any file with the as a file here on the computer. Windows 6.1 dash is the name of an operating system. Options are A Word, B Paintbrush, C Windows. So answer is Windows here. Windows is the name of operating system. Seventh one, dash is very useful to manage files and folders. Options are A Documents, B Windows Explorer, C Folders. So answer is Windows Explorer here. 8.1, Window Explorer shows the files and folders using a dashed structure. Options are A tree, B horizontal, C vertical. So answer is tree here. Tree structure. The Windows Explorer shows the files and folder in a tree structure. Ninth one, the Windows Explorer is divided into dash panes. Options are A3, B4, C2. So answer is 2 here. 10th one, files and folders can be deleted by selecting it and then pressing dash key from the keyboard. Options are A backspace, B home, C del. So answer is del here. 11th one, you can also use shortcut key dash to rename a file. Options are A F3, B F7, C F2. So answer is F2. F2 is the shortcut key to rename a file. 12th one, files and folders can be dash or dash using Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V commands. Options are A moved and copied, B delete and renamed, C inserted and deleted. So answer is moved or copied. 13 one, when we create a folder with the name dash is created. Options are A document 1, B new file, C new folder. So answer is new folder. Whenever you are creating a folder, the folder is with the name of new folder. 14.1, dash is the extension for the portable document format file prepared in Acrobat Reader. Options are A.txt, B p.pdf, C.exe. So answer is .pdf. Portable document format file is prepared in Acrobat Reader. Extension is .pdf. 15.1, dash is the extension for the file which can be executed by double clicking on it. Options are A.txt, B.pdf, C.exe. So answer is .txt. So students, these were MCQs of chapter number 1, files and folders. Now we are going to see the next chapter, that is chapter number 2, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. All of you knows about this chapter, right? PowerPoint is a presentation software which is used to draw beautiful slides to show the presentation using beautiful slides rather than pages. So let us begin with the multiple choice question of this chapter. First one, Dash is a presentation software application and it is a part of Microsoft Office 2010. Options are A. Paint, B. WordPad, C. PowerPoint 2010. So answer is PowerPoint 2010. PowerPoint 2010 is a presentation software application and is a part of Microsoft Office 2010. Second one, the PowerPoint opens with a blank presentation with default file name as Dash. Options are A. Document 1, B. Document 2, C. Presentation 1. So answer is presentation 1 here. Third one, Dash holds the title, subtitle, body text and other objects. Options are A. Placeholder, B. Box holder, C. Object holder. So answer is placeholder. Placeholders are the text used for title, subtitle and body text. Fourth one, you may press dash key to exit slideshow. Options are A. F1, B. F5, C. Escape. So answer is F5 here. F5 is used to show to exit the slideshow also. Okay. To show the slides also F5 is used, and for exiting also F5 is used here. Fifth one, PowerPoint files are saved with dash extension. Options are A.pptx, B.ptx, C.pwrx. So answer is .pptx is the extension of PowerPoint files. Sixth one, shadow, glow, reflection, etc. are dash. Options are A. Space effect, B. Quick style, C. Shapes fill. So answer is shapes effect. Seventh one, dash option of paragraph group of home tab is used to change the orientation of text. Options are A. Align text, B. Shapes fill, C. Text direction. So answer is text direction here. Eighth one, dash option of drawing group of home tab is used to give special effect to the selected shape. Options are A. Shapes fill, B. Shapes outline, C. Shapes effect. So answer is space effect. For special effect we are giving space. For shapes we are giving special effect by using shapes effect option. Ninth one, dash option of paragraph group of home tab is used to decide the vertical alignment of the text written in the text box. Options are A. Align text, B. Shapes fill, C. Text direction. So answer is align text. Align text is used to align the text of a paragraph. 10th one, to see the presentation, press dash key to go to slideshow tab and click on the from beginning button. Options are A. F1, B. F5, C. Escape. So answer is F5 here. F5 key is used to show the presentation and to exit the presentation. 11th one, dash is an effect that occurs when you move from one slide to the next slide during the slideshow. Options are A. Slide transition, B. Slide animation, C. Slide link. So answer is slide transition. Slide transition is an effect that occurs when you move one slide from next slide. Okay. 12th one, dash is a visual or sound effect given to the text or other objects on the slide. Options are A. Animation, B. Transition, C. Action. So answer is animation here. Animation is used for giving the effects of foreign objects in the computer. 13th one, you can view PDF file using any PDF viewer like dash. Options are A. WordPad, B. Notepad, C. Adobe Reader. So answer is Adobe Reader. Adobe Reader is used to open any PDF file on the computer. 14.1, presentation saved with Windows Media Video can be viewed by any video playing software like Dash. Options are A. WordPad, B. Paint. C. VLC Media Player. So answer is VLC Media Player here. 15.1. Audio and video options are in the dash group of Insert tab of PowerPoint. Options are A. Media, B. Object, C. Link. So answer is Media here. Media group is used to audio and video options you can insert in the PowerPoint using the media option. Now this was our MCQs of chapter number 2. Now we are going to learn about chapter number 3, virus. Now we are going to start chapter number 3, virus. So all of you know what is a virus. Virus is like a disease for our computer which infects our computer. So let us start multiple choice question. First one, a dash cannot damage the computer hardware like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, motherboard, CPU, etc. Options are A. Dust, B. Virus, C. Sunlight. So answer is virus. Second one, never open dash which you have received from unknown sender and never reply to such emails. Options are A. Websites, B. Photos, C. Emails. So answer is emails here. Third one, while surfing internet, avoid visiting those dash which are not known to you. Options are A. Websites, B. Photos, C. Emails. So answer is websites here. So while browsing internet, avoid using websites which are not known to you. Fourth one, keep the latest dash software installed in your computer and keep a habit of updating it at a regular interval of time. Options are A. Antivirus, B. Virus, C. Website. So answer is antivirus here. Fifth one, dash captures confidential data and send this information to the hackers without the user's knowledge. Options are A. Macro, B. Worm, C. Trojan horse. So answer is Trojan horse here. Trojan horse captures your confidential information and sends it to the hacker. Sixth one, dash does not affect user files but it hides in user's computer and attempts to reveal confidential information to the attackers. Options are A. Macro, B. Worm, C. Trojan horse. So answer is Trojan horse. Trojan's horse does not infect your files but it hides in your computer and gives your confidential information to the attackers. Seventh one, dash replicates in hundreds and thousands of copies which makes your computer works very slow. Options are A. Macro, B. Worm, C. Trojan horse. So answer is worms. Worms replicates itself in hundred and thousand. It makes its hundred and thousand of copies in the computer. 8.1, a dash spreads itself without using user files as a carrier and spread automatically in the computer. Options are A. Macro, B. Worm, C. Trojan horse. So answer is worm here. 9th one, the first virus infecting personal computer was developed in the year dash. Options are A. 1968, B. 1986, C. 1996. So answer is 1986. 10th one, dash was the boot sector virus attacked on DOS operating system. Options are A. Michael Jackson, B. Michelangelo, C. Michael Douglas. So answer is Michelangelo. 11th one, dash means the instruction written to complete certain task automatically. Options are A. boot virus, B. worm, C. macro. So answer is macro here. 12th one, file infectors type of virus mainly corrupts .com and .exe types of file. Options are A. .com and .exe, B. .doc and .txt, C. .bmp. So answer is .com and .exe. 13.1. Calvix is dash types of virus. Options are A. File infectors, B. macro, C. boot sector. So answer is file infectors. 14.1. Dash types of virus mainly infects the files of Microsoft Office. Options are A. File infectors, B. macro, C. boot sector. So answer is macro here. 15.1. Dash macro virus spreads during the year 1999. Options are A. Michelangelo, B. Melissa, C. Calvix. So answer is Melissa here. So students, this was our MCQs of chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Study well and prepare, and best of luck for your examination. So that's all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.